Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok buffering problem. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok buffering problem, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok and you click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You'll find here updating this blue sign, you can click and then you can update your application on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.